Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our manufacturing KPI management template. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Let's get started. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can utilize this template. And at the bottom, we have a short guide on using our templates with compatible online services. For any manufacturing business, it's always important to set KPIs in order to have a way to track and gauge the business's efficiency, as well as a way to guide you in making strategic decisions. To use this template, we first head over to the database sheet. It's here where we input the important company details like product details, operating shifts, failure root causes, and operating line details. Once everything's set, we can move over to the raw data sheet. In this sheet, keep in mind to only put data in the white cells, as the gray cells contain automated formulas. It's here where you can log the details about your production, input the date, shift, line number, the product, actual runtime, planned downtime, the failure root cause if any, the OK quantity, defect quantity, and the number of machinery breakdowns. The other columns should be given to you automatically. If you want to add a new entry, simply place them at the bottom of the last line of data. Once you've got that filled out, we can now go to the dashboard. It's here where we can get a bird's eye view of our production metrics. On top, we have some highlighted figures such as the total approved units, total defects and defect rate, the plan achieved percentage, along with total runtime, lost time, and average units per hour. We have the total loose cost analysis with the defect cost and lost time cost as well as the total. Last on top is the overall equipment effectiveness rate. In the middle area, we have some visual tools to help you better grasp your data. We have the plan achieved percentage versus the total approved units over time, product plan achieved percentage and defect percentage per product, failure root cause analysis, time analysis of hourly utilization over time, OEE analysis, and mean time to repair analysis for your equipment. In the visualization limits control, it's here where you set the boundaries of your highlighted metrics to whatever value you want for both the warning level and accepted level. If the value falls in between those two values, it'll be highlighted in yellow. This sheet is equipped with an array of slicers to help you filter these charts. You can do so by date, line, shift, product, and failure root cause. As standard, you have a Refresh Data Macro button to update the sheet whenever new data is added, and a full screen macro button to hide your ribbons. Lastly, we have a nifty tool in case you might want to test out different combinations of shift times, downtimes, breakdowns, cycle times, parts, and scraps. Just input the data and see the results instantly here. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets Advanced Templates and University is the best tool out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.